If you're running a cleaning business and want to take it seriously, you can't keep managing everything with notes, texts, and random apps. Professionals don't just clean well, they operate with systems. And if I had to recommend one software setup to build a real business around, it's this one. It's built on Go High Level, one of the most powerful automation platforms available for small service businesses. But here's the catch. Go High Level by itself is like buying a toolbox. You still have to build everything, unless someone builds it for you. That's exactly what we did at WebEye. We created a fully pre-built CRM and automation system on top of Go High Level, designed specifically for cleaning businesses. It comes with high-converting lead forms, automated replies and follow-ups, appointment reminders, review requests, a drag-and-drop CRM pipeline, and zero setup work on your end. I'm not recommending a tool. I'm recommending a full system. One that's already working for cleaning businesses like yours. If you want access to the same software and setup I'd recommend to any pro, click the link in the description and check out the WebEye system built on Go High Level.